This set of feeler gauges on the right got wet and put away wet. Because all the markings were completely off and they are ruined anyway, I decided to go ahead and put them in vinegar. The reaction to the acid started pretty quick. After about a half an hour, you could see bubbles. After about an hour, you could start to feel the grime just coming off. With this kind of effect, I figured, let me throw them in for a couple weeks. Wow. Let's check and see what this looks like. Pretty disgusting. Now we get a chance to see how effective vinegar is for eating metal, or at least eating the corrosion off metal. Here you can see there's more than corrosion being eaten off of these. Some of the thinner feelers are almost completely gone. So vinegar is a pretty effective method if you need to clean up some tools. Of course, feeler gauges would be a bad example of this because your tolerances are shot now. And after seeing this, I wouldn't want to shine up any valuable coins. You can see it's going to take more than just the oxidation away. If this was a tool that I wanted to keep, I'd probably use some baking soda to neutralize the acid. That would stop the reaction of the acid from eating anything more away. So if you can learn anything from this video, keep your feeler gauges dry with a little bit of oil on them. So it's pretty interesting to see how the vinegar attacks different thicknesses of metal. Well, if you found the video interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.